Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make a pair of these and they're gonna be for a freestanding gonk. I'm very excited about this video because it's a part of a bigger project. So this is just the beginning because I want to make a freestanding gonk, like a Christmassy one. And I made two last year and I noticed that because I crocheted the boots, they're not sturdy enough. So I had to come up with a plan. I had to come up with a good plan. So I made these, which are really sturdy. I hope you can see the details. I hope you can see them. And just look at this fluff. Oh, it's so cute. And so I'm gonna make a pair of these and I'm gonna show you what you need and how you put it together. This is gonna be very simple because it's literally just cutting all the bits and then glue them all together and you got boots. I'm very nervous because although I made the prototype, as always, like the first one comes out, you know, when it comes out okay, then you're always worried about how the next one is going to turn up. So hopefully they're going to be as cute as this. Let's start. Now that we have all our pieces all cut and nice and ready, it's time to assemble. So let's do this. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm always worried that I know I've done it once, but it's always difficult to try to replicate something that you've done and you're happy with. So let's give it a go. Let's go. I've got my little silicone mat to help me. Okay, we've got our little sole, so we're going to attach, this is going to be the toe of our shoe. So let's attach this, a good glog of glue. And let's attach it right to the top. But we still need to see where the middle bit is, which is just there. Okay, now that we've attached this, we're going to attach the heel. So I marked the center so I can match it up with the sole and the backing. So I've got an even length on either side. So this is going to be tricky. Oh, also you might want to bend your cardboard a little bit so it's going to be easier to go around the edges. So let's do this. And don't worry if it's going to look messy at this stage because we're going to cover it. And we do the same on the other side. And it looks like we've got the base of our shoe. Oh, one step forward. Now we're going to attach the toe cap onto the shoe. And what we need to try to do, we need to try to get in the middle, which is this bit. So let's glue that first. So it's going to be there. make sure also it follows the lines, and you just put it as close as possible at the edges of your shoe. So let's see how we get on, and we do the same thing on the other side. And then we cover it with this, and these little flaps, they go inside and they're going to be glued on the inside of the cardboard on both sides. And we glue this bit just there. And we do the same thing on the other side, and this is the beginning of our shoe. And there it is. Not finished, obviously. Then we need to attach the back. Again, I've made a halfway line, and I'm going to try to match it with the halfway line that I've made on the back of the shoe. So I put a little bit of glue on the halfway line, match it up with the back of the shoe, making sure that this is on the edge of the shoe, and then we glue it down. So put a little nice blob of glue, and we cover the back of the shoe and glue the end bit. Make sure that it's glued all good and proper, and we do the same on the other side, and it's taking shape. It's taking shape. Then what we're going to do from here, we're going to glue the sole at the back, so we cover the bottom bit. Brilliant. There we go. Now we've got our little sole attached, and what we've got a little string which is 0.5 centimeter and 33 centimeters long, and we do the same. We're trying to find the middle bit, and we put a dot of glue there. So we attach this just to keep it in place whilst we glue it all around the edges of our shoe. So that now is just in place, and slowly let's try to attach this, making sure that is as close as possible to the sole that we attached at the bottom, so you can cover any imperfections. And we glue down the last bit. Now that we've got a little booty, we just put the fur on top, which has been cut to measure up with the length of the shoe. So what we're going to do, we're going to glue it all around the top edge. And then we fold it in, and we glue on the inside, and we tack the end bits. So we glue it, put a little bit of glue in there, and fold it on itself. So we have this nice little curved edge. And there it is. There it is. And what we're going to do, we're going to create like a little hole here. And a little hole on the other side using like a large head needle. We just thread it through and thread it through the holes that we've just made. And we got our first little booty. What do you think? And now we just need to make the other one. Oh, so cute. Ta-da! And the booties are ready. I'm very happy with them. I'm very happy and relieved that I've finished them and they look the way they do. So I'm pretty happy. Have a look at that. I hope you can see them. All the fluff and all the details. They come out well. I'm happy. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is out. And also you can receive the notification of when the video for the tall gongs, freestanding gongs, is going to come out. Because I'm going to put these to good use. And hopefully you're going to check it out and you're going to like it as well. Well, thank you very much for watching and take care for now. Bye bye.